Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever accidentally deleted important Facebook messages and felt like they were gone forever, worry not. Today, we're going to guide you through the steps to find and potentially recover those deleted Facebook messages. Let's dive in. First things first, let's start with the basics. It's important to know that once you delete a message from Facebook, it's removed from your chat history. However, it might still be recoverable. We'll explore a couple of methods to try and get those messages back. Method 1. Check archived conversations. Sometimes messages aren't deleted but are archived instead. To check, head over to Facebook and click on the messages icon at the top. Then tap on Archive. If your supposedly deleted messages are here, congratulations, you found them. Method 2. Download your Facebook data. If the first method didn't work, don't lose hope. Facebook allows you to download a copy of your data, including messages, photos, and more. Let's show you how. Tap on three dots, scroll down until you find Settings. Scroll down until you find Download your information. Make sure to deselect all the options except Messages. You can also select the date, range, format, and media quality. Once ready, create file to begin the download process. Facebook will notify you when your download is ready. Keep in mind, downloading your Facebook data might take some time. Once the download is complete, then unzip the file and open the messages folder. Losing messages can be frustrating, but we hope this tutorial has helped you in your quest to recover those precious conversations.